Hello, I J Vijay Chandra welcomes you to Bits Connect. In the subject of artificial intelligence, today's topic is tic-tac-toe game problem solving. All might have you seen the tic-tac-toe game. The game is with X and O. These are the two players where X is opted for the max and 0 is opted for the min, and if it is in between, it is 0, then it's called as draw. So the game has three chances. One is either X may win, O may win, or it may be a draw. Let's take an example how this game works. See here, X I given here, the first X player, Max given X here. Then obviously O is given here. And then again X is given here. Then O is given here. Then let's think X is given here, O is given here, and O won the game. Then how a computer will understand that O won the game? This takes the help of a magic square. These are the components 8, 1, 6, 3, 5, 7, 4, 9, 2. These are the numbers of the magic square. That means, as you know, the tic-tac-toe game, if vertically, horizontally, or diagonally, either it is with X or O. If it is with X, then X won the game, or if it is with O, O won the game. That means max is max. For max we take an X, for min we take an O. We implement this magic square in this particular problem. As you see, 0, 0, 0. By seeing, as we are playing from childhood, by seeing this, we can say that 0 won the game. But how a computer will understand that 0 won the game? That means it will implement these numbers in this particular tic-tac-toe game. That means here 8 will be there, 1 will be there, 6 will be there, 3, 5, 7, 4, 9, 2. So as I said, X coordinate is with the positive and Y with the negative. Since the X is max, Y 0 is min. So I am considering each X as a plus 1 and I am considering each O as a minus 1. So let's take 8. For X coordinates, what it is? 8 into 1 plus 6 into 1 plus 2 into 1 equal to some number. What is that number? 10, 16. It is not equal to 15, which is not equal to 15. If we get positive 15, max won the game. If we get negative 15, min won the game. So the game we are going to check is whether it is a positive 15 or it is a negative 15. If it is a positive 15, the max won the, that means X won the game. If it is a negative 15, the 0 won the game. So now let's take the 0 coordinates. 3 into minus 1, since it is a minimum, plus 5 into minus 1 plus 7 into minus 1 equal to obviously minus 15. So min won the game. So this max min problem of the tic-tac-toe problem will be solved by using a magic square. Let's imagine that instead of here 0, X kept the 0 here and O kept the 0 here. Then what it will be? X values is 6 into 1 plus 7 into 1 plus 2 into 1 equal to 15. So positive 15. So Max won the game. Okay. So what are the possibilities of this particular game? Either X can win or O can win, or it may be a draw. What tells it is a draw? If the output is not 15, if the output is not 15 for max as well as for min, then it is declared as draw. Let's take the possibility of draw. So here it is a 0, okay, and here is also 0, and here is x, here is x. So here no one won the game. So x 0 0 0 x 0 0 x 0 0 0 0 x. So vertically, horizontally, diagonally, no one won the game. Let's check whether this statement is correct or not. I am saying this, by seeing this diagram, it's a draw. How we can say it's a draw? If either max or min is not equal to 15, max or min both should not be equal to 15, then the game is draw. Let's check it. 8 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 7 into 1 plus 4 into 1 equal to 12, 22. 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 1, 20. Okay, so here 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. Then that means the max value is 20, which is not 15. Then let's set the min value. Min value 6 into minus 1 plus 5 into minus 5 plus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 into minus 1, minus 1 plus 9 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1. So minus 6, minus 5, minus 3, minus 9, minus 2. Overall the value is 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus minus 14 minus 11 equal to minus 25. So minus 25. So these two are not equal to, either of it are not equal to 15. Then we can say this particular game is draw. Thank you. Hope you understood the concept of tic-tac-toe game.